Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to install Java. First, we check if Java is installed on our system or not. For this, we need to open the command prompt. To open the command prompt, you just need to write command prompt in the search field. After the command prompt is open, we write Java -version and then press enter. As you can see, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means Java is not installed on my system. Then we can close the command prompt and start the download process for Java. First, we open our web browser. I am using Chrome, so I open the Chrome browser and write Google search Java JDK download, then press enter. In the search results, we will see the Oracle website as the first result, so we need to click on it. When we land on the website, we will see the latest versions of Java. Here it says Java 21 and Java 17 are available now. It might change to 22, 23, or more. Just stick with the latest version and scroll down a bit. You will see tabs that show different operating systems. I am going to show you for Windows, because my operating system is Windows. Just click on the Windows tab, then click on the second link, which is the 64-bit installer link. Then it will start to download. It will take some time. After the download process is done, we need to click on it and wait for a little window for installation. Yes, it opened. We can click on Next. It shows where the JDK file is going to be. Please remember this path. We will need that. Then, click on Next again. As you can see, it is successfully installed. So we can close this window. Now, let's check if the Java file was downloaded. I am just following the path that shows me during the downloading process. Yes, I see the Java file inside my program files. When I click on it, I see the JDK version 21, which is the latest version for now. Again, the version number can change for you, so just download the latest version on the Oracle website. You do not need to search for the latest version. When you go to the website, it will already show the latest version on the main page. When you click on the JDK file, you need to see these files. Let it stay open. We will need this file soon. Just minimize it. Now, we need to add Java to the system variables. For this, we go to the search bar and write Control Panel. Then press Enter. Open the Control Panel. I want to view that by category. Now, we go to System and Security. Here we click on System. And here we click on Advanced System Settings. After clicking on it, a little window will open, and we click on Environment Variables from here. Now, we see the Environment Variables window. We need to find Path inside System Variables. After selecting the path, we need to click on the Edit button. We need a path to paste it here. Now, we can go to the JDK file and click on Bin. After we are in the bin file, we copy the path from here. Then, we can directly paste it into the environment variable. After it is pasted, click on OK. Now we are going to add a variable for Java. For this, we will click on New from User Variables. We write the variable name Java Home, and for the value, we need to go to the JDK folder again. Now, we need to select the path while we are in the JDK folder, not inside the bin file. Copy it, then paste it into the variable value. Then, click on OK. Just close the windows by clicking OK buttons. That's it. Now, let's check the command prompt again for what we did at the beginning. We open the command prompt and write Java -version. Click on Enter. We see Java version 21 is here. In this video, I showed how to install Java. To be able to use it, we need to install Eclipse, and I will show that in the next video. Thanks for watching.